Hello, my name is Juan. I am from Costa Rica. I'm 34 years old and I have been trading since 2020. Right now I'm managing a 400k FTMO account. My favorite instrument is GBP/JPY because of two main reasons. The first one is it's very volatile, and the second one, it moves a really good amount of pips per day. A very trendy asset.
I also like to trade GBP/JPY in correlation with the JPY index, and they move opposite directions. So when the JPY is moving to the upside, it's very likely for GBP/JPYs to move to the downside.
When I first started trading, I began with binary options. It wasn't the right path to go. The risk to reward ratio in there, it wasn't good enough for me. So I started looking for new ways to trade, and then back in 2020, I found CFDs, Forex CFDs, indexes. So then I started looking for some other places how to trade. I found FTMO. I bought their 100k account that I lost because I breached the maximum daily loss, and then I went for two 200k accounts, so I was able to merge and be able to risk little instead of risking 1% per trade. I discovered with that risking 1% over the long run, having a 10% max drawdown, it was not sustainable. So I decided to go for 0.13 risk per trade. I really like the FTMO Prague offices. It's really cool to see people from all over the world working together, making possible this trading dream for everyone. I could see people from France, Italy, also from my country, Costa Rica. It was really cool to meet the co-founders. These people is working with only one thing in mind, and that's getting a better product for you traders to trade in the future. I also saw the GBP/JPY meeting room, and I couldn't resist a picture with it next to the GBP/JPY, my favorite pair.
Pretty nice one.
My advice to new traders would be disciplined, be patient, and don't risk too much. Don't take this career in a rush. Instead, take this career over the long run. I think the biggest misconception related to trading is that you become rich overnight. This isn't true. And also that it is easy money to get from the markets, because it also isn't true. Actually very tough. I believe what makes me a successful trader is that I am a very analytical person. I like to see out my metrics in FTMO website. I got the data and I suddenly know that I was risking too much when I used to risk 1% per trade. Right now I can say I can be profitable over time, and that's what trading is about, not becoming rich overnight.